Good morning, good morning. It's all very early in the morning. It's 5 o'clock. Past 5 o'clock na. And this one I prepared. This one at 4:30 pa. Oh no, last night pala this one. And the finger is, I prepared this one at 4 o'clock a.m. Okay? So now I start cooking because it's already 5:02 in Baghdad. Okay, so same as usual as what I told you, same as usual, the daily routine. Hello guys, good morning, good day to any countries, to different countries. Keep safe lagi kong sinasabi talaga, keep safe. Yun, so the sausage is for the breakfast. And the egg also, okay? This one is boiled egg already. So, ganito lang ang buhay. That is life. That's life. It's early to prepare already. Ayan, nag-adan na. Para when I finish here in the kitchen to fix everything, so I make na the balcony of Sisi, the small balcony of Sisi. Ganito lang talaga kasimple. Yeah, and this one, the finger, hot already. And my shai, it's finished already, my shai. So I finish this one first before I make the sal. I the fruits and some for the lunch box of Sisi. Okay. Slowly lang, dahan-dahan lang kasi yung pagkalagay ko ng fire kasi para hindi agad sunog. So, hot na. Okay. Mas mainam. Hindi po. Ganito lang. Basta school. Ganito lang basta school this. Kaya kailangan talaga. Ayan. Okay? Ito yung basura ko. Okay lang mamaya. Ayan na yung upload. Ito hindi na siya maganda yata. Ito ang prosi ayos ko pa lang. Ito. Nare-ready ko na rin yan. Ayan. Ito wala pa akong tubig. Ayan. Naghahanda pa. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all subscriber of mine. Nakasunod na. And thank you also that Some of them are just watching of my videos. I wish that you subscribe me also if you like it. It depends on you because I cannot command to you to subscribe me. If you are watching, so please you can subscribe me directly also. But if you like, so if you put likes also, it's okay. If no, it's okay. Add it. Ganun talaga siguro. Kasi we are not the same thinking, we are not the same likes and dislikes. But I'm very happy. I'm very happy that you are watching of my Simply, I always say to you, Simply video of mine. Because that is my daily work here as OFW, housemaid nanny here in Baghdad. Okay? And once again, God bless us all. Keep safe. Be happy. As enjoy what you have work. Any work that you have. The important that it's good. And you are doing the best by yourself. Okay? Thank you. And bye-bye. I have no eyeglass. Okay? Sorry. I'm very sorry, Yela. Bye-bye.